How to make a magic ring. First, wind the thread. The initial yarn wrapping technique is the same as for the foundation chain. After winding the thread around the index finger, you can wrap it around the ring finger to the middle finger. Press the thread with your thumb. Pass the hook through the loop, press the yarn down, and pull up a loop. Yarn over, and pull it out. This is called a turning chain. There is another way. Wrap the thread over the middle finger. Press the thread with your thumb. Insert the hook through the loop, press the yarn downward, and pull the hook back through. Press the thread down, hook out, yarn over, and pull it out. This is also a turning chain. Then in this loop, and hook the number of stitches you want. Let's crochet 8 single crochet stitches here first. Insert the hook into the loop. Press the thread down and pull it out. Yarn over and pull it out. One is done, then repeat in the same stitch. Wind the thread and hook out. There are 2 stitches. You can mark the first stitch. To make a mark, insert the hook into the loop and press it down. Hook it out. At this time, use your middle and thumb. Press down the loop. Pull through the loop. Hook it out. Pass through the loop. Now we are hooking single crochet stitch. Just make single crochet stitches in this loop. Let's see how many single crochet stitches there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We hook another one. Press the thread and pull it out. Then wrap the thread around and hook it out. Now there are 8 single crochet stitches in the loop. After hooking 8 single crochet stitches, we can tighten the loop, which is the beginning of the thread winding. When pulling, use your right thumb and index finger. Press the last stitch of the crochet hook. Pull gently and then tighten the loop. Now there are 8 single crochet stitches on the loop. We come to the part where the beginning and end are connected. Remove the stitch marker. Use the slip stitch we have learned. Insert the hook into the first loop. V-shape, which is the position where the marker was removed. Yarn over, pull through. At this time, there are 2 loops on the hook. Then bring the thread and directly pull out the original loop. Adjust the tightness of the loop on your hook for the slip stitch. And that's the magic ring. Did you follow along?